my dream from a 9-year-old kid. When I saw a digger operator digging out my mum's house cut for her house, I used to come home from school and I'd watch him and I'd be like, Mum, I want to buy a digger one day. My name's Troy, owner of Gameon 2 Contractors. Me and my wife started it. A lot of the work we target is motorway stuff. We've got 6 diggers now, then 2 trucks, and 9 of us in the company. Safety features this has is the slew restrictors, the height restrictors, the 360 camera. Working in a narrow corridor like we do on the motorways, there's no room for anyone to be anywhere near the machine. So being able to see everyone with a 360 bird's eye view and having those restrictors in place just eliminates slewing over barriers, hitting walls or anything close to it. The power lines are there, the main trunk lines, so you're going anywhere near those, you just can't. It's a mechanical stop, so for us, this thing's amazing. We use e-fencing in these machines, especially the slew e-fence is huge. So if we're beside the barrier, you can't go over it. It's a mechanical stop, so when we're using this, especially in narrow corridors, the e-fencing, slew, left and right is, unbeatable. This machine we use more for the trimming aspect, so your finishing work and your tidying work and some structure stuff like lifting panels and that. It's amazing, you know, she's quiet around the boys when the boys are lifting in panels. For this stuff, especially with integrated GPS, it's real quick. For me, it's probably up to 40% faster than my other GPS machines. The 320 for us, production-wise, it's quicker, so response times for everything is quicker. I mean, the payload scale system alone just speeds everything up. You don't have to wait for anyone to measure a pile, so your productivity increases there. You load it out, that's your weight for the day, whether it's 800 tonne or whatever. You know, so you're not waiting for anyone to measure, productivity goes up. Fuel savings, huge, yeah. The older models, they burn a bit, up to 21 litres an hour. This thing here not going over 10 litres is what we need. Genuine cat parts are amazing. They're up there in price, but having this thing at 500-hour services takes away a quarter of your cost. Instead of every 250 buying filters and oils and that, we're doing it all at 500, so it saves money. So it looks awesome, like it looks cool compared to the other ones, so there's definitely a cosmetic change, but just how quiet they are. I mean, sitting in the cab, you don't hear any engine noise, you get nothing. You know, she's a peaceful day sitting in there apart from the radio. Having gear like this is, for us as a small business and trying to succeed, is key for our customers because they get you back to do a good job and be efficient for them and keep that productivity going so they can complete their jobs. We've got a great relationship with Goffs. They're just amazing, you know, they look after us all the time and they build the machine to the way I like it. What they give us in the end is a pretty amazing machine, you know, and it's everything we ask for. And it's a joy to get in during the day and drive it, and unfortunately you've got to get out of them at night to go home, but that's the way it goes. Yeah.